How to add email in Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Telegram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging into your account, tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of the screen and then tap on settings. As you tap on settings, scroll down and tap on privacy and safety over here. As you tap on privacy and safety, here you can see the option of login email under the security category. So tap on login email and here you can just tap on change email over here. As you do that, here you can just enter your new email which you would want to add for your Telegram, and after you do that, you just have a tap on the stick mark or the arrow mark and you'll be able to add a new email ID in Telegram with a verification code followed by. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.